Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Check whether you run X11 or Wayland, because that affects compositor choice and shortcuts. Once done, install the Window Manager package and its dependencies, then enable it in your Login Manager or zinirc. Next, create a minimal config file that defines your basic key bindings, default terminal, and a couple of startup apps. This gets the system responsive. From here, you can log out and start the new session to verify the basics work. Now you refine core behavior so the manager matches your workflow. You should define workspaces and set layout defaults, plus set focus follows mouse or click to focus depending on preference. Then map keys for window navigation, snapping, resizing, and quick app launching. Test each mapping immediately to avoid conflicts. Make sure to integrate a compositor for transparency and VSync, and connect your status bar and X settings or Wayland equivalents so themes and font DPI apply. Once stable, finish by hardening your setup. Save a dated backup of the config and add a reload key binding so you can test changes without logging out. Automate auto-start apps and any helper scripts, and where supported, enable session restoration to remember window layouts. Then stress test with multiple monitors and heavy apps to ensure stability. If something breaks, first revert to the backup or launch a safe session. This is usually the fastest recovery and avoids chasing transient errors while you diagnose.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.